Math hack. You can multiply any two-digit number by 11 instantly. No calculator. No long multiplication. Light bulb. How it works. Let's take 54 times 11. Step 1. Separate the digits. 5 and 4. Step 2. Add them together. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Step 3. Place that sum in the middle. Answer equals 594. More examples. 32 times 11 becomes 3. 3 plus 2, 2. 71 times 11 becomes 7. 7 plus 1, 1. 46 times 11 has a carry. For plus 6 equals 10. Write 0 in the middle and carry 1 to the front. That makes 506. Now you try. 68 times 11 equals what? Thanks for watching Myverse Maths. If this helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick maths tricks and proofs. See you in the next one.